Gas prices are not random. They rise for a reason you can trace. And once you see the chain, the gas pump will make a lot more sense to you. Now, most people, they blame the gas station, and that is the easiest target for them to blame. But the station on your corner or block, they usually react to the prices it did not set. Its fuel cost comes from wholesale supply, delivery timing, and what it paid on its last shipment. So, before you get mad at the sign on the corner while looking up, you have to first look at the full bill and pay attention to the taxes. They're very important because that part gets ignored often. Here's the part that most people miss. Gas stations do not print money every time the prices go up. Fuel margins are thin. The NACS says that the average profit after expenses is generally about 5 to 10 cents per gallon, and gas sales often act as traffic builders for the store, not the main profit engine. That is why the convenience stores matter so much. The coffee, the snacks, the drinks, and the food inside the store often keeps the business moving and staying afloat. Now, the fuel will bring you in, but the store helps pay the bills. The location also matters. EIA says gasoline prices, they vary by region because of the distance from the supply. Supply disruptions, the refinery issues, the retail competition, and operating costs. That is why one town can pay less than another, even if a short distance drive away. Now, the taxes sit on top of all of it. The federal gas tax is about $18.40 per gallon, which is about 4.9 cents per liter. We're talking American prices here. EIA also says state taxes and fees, they average 33.55 cents per gallon in January 2026, or about 8.9 cents per liter. That simply means a big chunk of the pump price comes from the policy, not the station owner. And taxes do not move down when oil prices get cheaper. They stay baked in. I mean, the carbon tax here in Canada is one such example. So when the prices jump, you are not only paying for more fuel, you are also paying tax on a bigger number. And the timing matters as well. One station may still be selling fuel it bought at a lower price. Another may just have received a more expensive delivery. And that is why prices can differ from one block to the next. So no, gas prices, they are not random. They come from a chain. Global supply, refining, transport, local competition, and taxes. The station sign is only the last stop. On a side note, I traveled to the Dominican Republic and took a road trip from Santo Domingo all the way to Puerto Plata. And what I noticed was that all the gas stations had the same prices. All of them. So yes, price consistency exists. It just depends where you are. So the next time someone says gas prices they're just greedy, now you know better. The real answer is bigger than just the corner station. And taxes are a very, very big part of it. If someone says they will lower gas prices, you have to ask them which part are they actually cutting. If you want more videos like this, like the video and subscribe. Remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide. The links are in the description box below. Stay sharp, stay educated, and I will catch you in the next one.